What is up, everybody? I am Mumphy. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for joining. I'm back from my motorcycle trip that I took with a bunch of family, kind of a guy's trip, and I'll be editing those videos over the next little bit to share with you guys. I am doing a once a week video for you guys, so stay tuned and be sure to check those out when they hit. They are a little bit more motorcycle centric rather than Tacoma centric, but I still kind of wanted to share my adventure with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you guys are enjoying the videos, please hit that like button, leave a comment, smash that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and we're getting real close to that 1,000 subscriber goal mark, and I couldn't have done it without all of you guys. So with that, at 1,000, we're doing a big giveaway. Just as a big thank you from me to you guys for sticking with me, for supporting the channel, enjoying the videos that I make, and leaving your comments. I'm looking forward to doing that. So let's get into today's video. Alright, so one of the things that I kind of wanted to do while I was out on this motorcycle adventure that I took was to try and get a couple of videos done, and one you've kind of seen in a previous video where I installed the Molly panel. That was actually pretty fun to do. I'm looking forward to adding more stuff to that and maybe alternating the combination that I put on there. But the other one that I really wanted to do and wasn't able to get to until now is a fog light comparison. Now currently I have the Diode Dynamics SS3s on the Tacoma. Now, these are really good fog lights. I have no complaints about them. They are SAE approved, which means you get a horizon line and you can use them on road. Now, the fog lights I had on the truck beforehand were from Heretic Studio. I really like those fog lights. They are geared more for an off-road focused build, so you wouldn't be able to use them on road. But I kind of want to do a little bit of a comparison between the two. I do have a road that I'm going to take each of these fog lights and kind of test out to see how the spread is, what the contrast that you get between the yellow and the orange ambers. With that, let's check out the clips. Okay, so first up what we have is the Diode Dynamics SS3 LED fog light kit. Now, the version that I have are the Pros, and these run about 320 bucks. And according to their website, the fogs in the yellow configuration have about a 2700 lumen output. They're also running a Luxion Z ES Cree XP-L LED light emitter. The other thing to note is that they are IP69K waterproof. Let me know what you guys think of this beam pattern. They are SAE approved, so they are on-road legal. You can see that it's got kind of a wide spread. What do you guys think of the yellow color? Alright, so what did you think of the Diode Dynamic SS3s? Leave a comment down below on what you think. So now, let's swap these out and throw the Heretic Studio on. Alright, now that we got the Heretic Studio fogs on, let's go check these out. Okay, now we're looking at the Heretic Studio fog lights. This set comes in at $349. They're running 2,904 lumens on a 6-watt Cree LED. Now, according to their website, it's a full 24 watts driven at 100%. They also have an IP68 waterproof rating. And as you can see in the footage here, they are not SAE approved. So they do have a combo lens. This has got a spot and a flood combo. And as you can kind of see, the spots definitely give you a little bit of a high intensity straight beam out in front of the vehicle, with the floods kind of helping to support that. You may not get all the way across the road, but you do have some pretty good contrast going on. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like this orange amber? Let me know down in the comments. Alright guys, what did you think of the comparison? Did you like the Diode Dynamic SS3s with the SAE approval and that yellow cast? Or did you like the off-road style of the Heretic Studio and the orange amber? Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Now I know this isn't a direct one-to-one comparison, simply because Heretic Studio doesn't have an SAE approved fog light at the current moment, and the Diode Dynamics, I didn't have a combo lens. So I got more of the distribution of light across the road versus the spot flood combo of the Heretic Studios. Now, Diode Dynamics does offer that version that's more off-road and isn't SAE approved. You can also swap out the lenses if you'd like a combo lens, but this is just kind of what I had, and I'd like to get your guys' feedback on what you guys like. I definitely like the orange amber over the yellow cast. I was able to see a little bit more on the contrast. That's my opinion, but you guys let me know. I think they're both excellent options if you're looking for fog lights, and they're both miles ahead of the factory LED fog lights. So anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Subscribe for more videos. I've got a really big install coming down the line, and we're still working on that 1,000 subscribers, and I've got a big giveaway coming out for you guys. Lots of big things that I'll be giving away. So, thanks again for staying with. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.